chief guest, respected HM sir, teachers, coming guests, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. As we know, today we have gathered here to celebrate our 76th Republic Day. Today is 26th January. It is our national festival. Dear students, I would tell you there are two festivals celebrated in our country: cultural festivals and national festivals. Among national festivals, 26th January is also a national festival. Our country became independent on 15th August 1947, but it had not its own constitution. After getting independence, it made its constitution and adopted it on 26th January 1950. Our constitution was written by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete. Then our constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Since then, we celebrate this day every year as Republic Day. Since then, this day has become our Republic Day. Dear students, I would like to tell you the meaning of Constitution. Constitution means a written rule, a written law that we all have to follow. If we don't follow rule, we may meet with an accident. So we must follow the rule. Our country, our state, our district, our school, even ourselves run according to rule. If we don't follow rules, there will be anarchy everywhere. This day also reminds us the glorious past of our country. We always speak, we should not talk about past. But dear students, I tell you, we should never forget our past. Because past is not dead and static. It is alive and dynamic. And it is involved to determine our present and the prospects of our coming future. So we have to learn from past. We don't forget past. We always speak, let it go on, be bygone. This day also reminds us for those freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of the country. So we have to work in a disciplined manner for the progress, for the development of the country. Dear students, today you have to take an oath. You will work for the betterment of the country. And you have to get higher education. If you don't get higher education, you may face a lot of problems in your life. And education helps to solve your life. Dear students, I tell you, education is a prime improvement of national purpose, and the quality of education is involved in the quality of nation. बच्चों, आप जब कुछ करते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपकी नाम आपके गांव में होता है, उसके बाद जिला में, उसके बाद राज्य में, उसके बाद आपका नाम होता है देश में. इसलिए कहा गया है कि quality of education is involved in the quality of nation. Dear children, you are the future of the country. Among you, one will be the PM of our country, one will be the CM of our state, and one will be the PM of our district, and one will be the Mukhia of Pilwa Panchayat, like our respected Mukhia Sri Jitendra Kumar Singh. So you have to work hard, you have to labor hard, keeping in mind that one day we have to be successful. And dear students, I tell you, our country is not a developed country, our country is a developed country, and we have to make it a developed country. For this, we have to work hard, we have to labor hard. And before I end my speech, I would like to say everybody, there should be a warm clapping. चालू होना चाहिए for our respected मुखिया जी, Shri Jitendra Kumar Singh, who has helped us to organize this function. At the end of my speech, I would like to say one line: East or West, India is best. With it, I stop my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata Ki.